Hi guys, over here I do have the Redmi Watch 6 and in this video I'll be guiding you on how to connect the Redmi Watch 6 to your phone. Now the process is quite simple and this is going to work out for any phone you have, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone. First thing you want to do is to turn on your Redmi Watch 6 and you should be able to find the power button over here. You just have to press and then hold for some seconds until you see the Redmi logo, just like so. Now go ahead and select your language from the list of options we have over here. I will select on English and now you'll be required to scan this code, which will redirect you to the App Store or Google Play Store, from where you can get the Mi Fitness app that is required for us to pair it with our phone. So on your phone, you can either scan the QR code or just go over to the App Store or Google Play Store of your device. You want to search for the Mi Fitness application. That is actually the recommended application. You should be able to see the application just over here. Select on it and then make sure you download and install this application into your phone. Now once you have it, the next thing you want to do is to first of all make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your device. So in my case, you can see the Bluetooth icon over here. I'll go ahead and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and then also make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. Now finally, you can go ahead and open up the Mi Fitness application on your phone, and now you want to tap on the start button, agree to all of the terms and conditions over here just at the bottom. Then you can tap on the agree button, and at this point you want to select your region. So you want to tap on the region option over here, scroll down and then select your region. In my case, I'll just enter the searching page field and then search the name of my country directly, then tap on the next button over here and we are good to go. You want to make sure you give the application every permission it asks for, so click on allow from over here, and then finally you want to go over to the devices option at the bottom to pair it with your Redmi Watch 6. But you're actually required to create an account. So if you have an account, you can go ahead and sign in with either your email and password, or you can as well choose to sign in with your Google account. So you want to first of all agree to the terms and conditions over here, and in my case I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google account. Remember that if you do not have an account, you can also create an account with the create an account option over here. So I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google account, select on my email, and just like so, I am now signed in. At this point, what you want to do is to tap on the add device option over here. Give it a couple of seconds to search for the name of your Redmi Watch 6. Also make sure that Bluetooth is actually turned on. So click on agree from over here, click on agree. Give it any permission it also asks for. So click on allow. And now you can see my Redmi Watch 6 over here. I'll go ahead and tap on it to continue with the setup. Also click on the check button on your Redmi Watch 6 and then on the phone as well, so that they will be paired. And now both devices are paired, as you can see. So I'll click on done from over here, and now you want to continue with your phone. So go ahead and tap on next. You'll be required to choose a layout of the app screen on your Redmi Watch 6. I'll go ahead and choose the icon and text layout, and then tap on continue from over here. Also at this point, you want to choose your type of notification. So you can choose to mirror phone notification, which actually transfers all of your notifications from your phone into your Redmi Watch 6. However, you can actually choose on the custom option, which allows you to be able to select the specific applications which you want the notifications on your Redmi Watch 6. So you can go ahead and turn this on for specific apps like the messaging application, the Instagram application, Facebook applications, if you have all of those on your phone. In my case, I will just go ahead and mirror the notification of my phone entirely, then click on the next button at the bottom, and then you also want to give the app the permission. So click on OK from over here. Go ahead and look for the Mi Fitness application, select it, and then tap on the allow notification access button from over here. If your phone shows you any warning, you can go ahead and just ignore it. So click on OK, then you can go back to the Mi Fitness application again. Then tap on next to continue, tap on allow. You also have to give it another permission, that is permission to access your contacts. So click on allow, and then also click on next from over here, click on allow, select on why using this app, next, and you also want to give it permission to access your location. So I'll select on allow all the time, then go back to the Mi Fitness application, click on next, and now we are ready to go. So I'll tap on the start button from over here. And if you get this warning on the Mi Fitness application, you want to tap on the settings button from over here, then click on the second option from over here and scroll down a little bit, tap on go to settings, then select on no restrictions. So select on this and you can go back to the Mi Fitness application, and now we are good to go. You can go ahead and get your Redmi Watch 6 now and then just finish up the setup process. So tap on the power button and you can go through all of the initial tutorials of how to use the smartwatch. In my case, I'll just go ahead and skip it. So I'll click on skip, click on OK, and now we are good to go. If you find this tutorial useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.